Hi all, this is Devi Prasad. In this video, we are going to learn XSLT with the template and sort options. So that if you see one of the example I have it, I will explain that example. So I'm using this simulator for my test my various XSLT patterns. And coming to the example I have is let me show you that example also for you. This is the example. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is example I have it. So this is in this example we have one sample XML file, and he sorted this example with sort option. So in our example, we try with XSLT code. So let us see the XSLT code. So this is a sample example file they have given, and we used sort. Sort is this is the sort actually we used. So so we have to put another template to get this root node. If you know, right, without root node it is not. If you display only employee records, that is not an invalid XML file. So we are supposed to display the root node. That's why I inserted this one more template, and insert template I am calling my actual template. Okay, so you understand. So if you remove this one, if you uncomment it, you can use comment option, and you can directly use this one also. But the problem is you don't get the root tag. Let us take this code, Control A, Control C, and use that simulator for our code and run example. So here we are getting XML file without so So this is a not a valid XML file. If you see the validation, XML validation, validate XML, validate not because it doesn't have root node. So we have to put some root node. Then only it becomes a valid XML file. So I want to remove the unwanted spaces. Okay, now validate again. XML validate now. So this is a valid one. So that's why what it is, I entered this one more template loop to display the root node. So you could take the reference of I mean, if you want to the deep structure, then try to put that many number of templates inside that one. Call your actual node. So I'm calling my. So I simply addressed the what exactly I'm looking for: employees, match employees, and sort by salary. Right? This is the one. I can also use tools, pretty printer. Yeah, this is the one. So employees, apply templates and sort salary. Employees sort all records by salary. Sorry, not this one. We have to check this one. Employee. I'm looking employees, and employees sort by salary. Now I need to give a signature. What exactly implement this? This is a signature. I need to implement the signature. What exactly I need to do? If an employee, okay, if I match employee, what do I need to do? I need to do all these things. Just copy it. Okay, this is the logic I have used for this one. What is the logic? Okay, now add this one, enable this one. So in this example, we will see. So we sorted In this example, we displayed the employee node. Otherwise, we don't get the employee root node. So if you use this example as shown in this example, it's simply sorted and displayed. So that's why, but in the correctness of the XML should have one root node. A single root node only, we should have other subnodes. So that's why I used this format. You can also use this format if you want to use it. So if it is deep structure, we have to follow same pattern. Call the subnode again. This is a root node and this is a subnode, and calling again and again and apply the logic. So I called employees and sorted it. After that one I want to apply the call the employee record. Just I call the employee record. For employee record I used the logic template match employee. Whenever the employee is there, then I want to display employee tag and element name and value of it. So again apply the template. So apply the template simply means gives the this whenever as it is content of the this last. So it displays this one, this one, this one. So all the record whenever you have this apply template select, it will get the value of this one. So like this we can apply the logic for the actual records. Okay, if you want to skip it, you can skip the things. So like this I applied the logic and I got the, let us copy the Control A, Control C and use the same code here and run it. So I'm able to, so I want to skip the spaces, right? So for skipping spaces we have after output I could use Excel stripe, right? You can use stripe elements. You can use this one, stripe options, to skip the spaces. Now Control A, Control C and use the same logic here and get it. Now I'm getting right. Now all elements are sorted. So let us see. The template match has a root node first. I'm calling root node. Then after root node, I'm calling the employee record. So okay, employees, the root node, then employees, then employee. So in the first root node, I simply displaying the employee tag. After that one, I'm calling employees root node. This node, I'm calling just after displaying the root node, I'm calling employee node. So for employee node, I wrote a logic like this. So calling employee, select employee, and sort by salary, and close the employee. So for an employee tag, I'm using this logic. We can display the employee node and content of it like this. In both the ways you can use it. Employee template select as well as value of select. Both the cases we can use it. Meanwhile, if you want to add a few more text, you can just add it. So thus we used sort option. Let us see the various uses of sort option now. Yeah. So in this sort case, what he did is the output is like this. First sort option simply sorted. The output result is like this. We can take the you can use this option. See, last is here, but sort didn't sort properly because we are supposed to get this. If it is ascending order, we are supposed to get this one, right, by salary, right? So alphabetically it is sorted. So sort works alphabetically, not as a numerical. To achieve that sort functionality, he suggested to use data type number. Let us add data type number. Okay, we add it now. Where exactly this code? Sort data type number. Now sort it. Yeah, I need to remove unnecessary things here. Okay, now it proper format for us. Last, first, closed, salary. It should now it's okay. It is sorted based on the so this is the lowest one, right? Then this is the highest one. So let us see the code here. I mean, observe here. It is the proper format. Okay. So that is it's telling data type based on the number it is sorted. The another way of sorting is descending. Let us add this the same again. This option. Now add this option. Descending after data type. Just paste it. Control V and press enter. Control A. Control C. Now the same thing here. Descending order. 1 lakh is the first one. Okay. Sorting based on the what we give the logic. Descending. So high to low. So high to low is the priority. So we sorted. So what other thing he suggested is okay, based on the two elements. So sorting based on the last and first. Let us see the sort the last. Modify the last. So remove all the things, or else we do one thing. Just comment it. You know, right? An XSLT comment is simple, and so use the same thing now. Copy the same thing. Control C. Let us include the style. Okay. Now you can enter. For this one, just replace last and remove unnecessary things for us. Delete it. Now you can execute it now. So it is sorted. So it sorted based on the last. So H, 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 but I A B C D E, but sorted based on H, but not based on H is okay. Hill A B C D E F G H. What we mentioned? We mentioned sort based on the last. No, so that's why put the small letter. Small last. Okay. Now run it. It's A B C D E. E is first. Okay. Now sorted. Now there are two HIs are there, and now give a priority for the G. So again first. So for the same thing, first I give the sort priority for the last, then first. So again one more. Control C. Control FIR first. FIR. So execute it. So two H's are there. So G is the first one. So thus I achieved the sort logic. So this is the thing he told in this example. We can also sort the hide date. Okay, dates doesn't signal not good because they are sorted alphabetically. Okay. Mm. So for date sorting, this is the logic we are supposed to use it. So this is so we learned almost many things required for us in this example for our XSLT mapping. So this is enough to achieve most of the complex sorting of or displaying out desired output um, while handling the namespaces together. Thanks for watching this video.